My name is Jaritza, and this is a unboxing of the newer Basics FL10 LED photography flashlight. The gobos and the gobo holders both come secure in a bag, and the actual flashlight comes on a phone securely, so everything came brand new, nothing missing. There was this soft cloth bag to hold your flashlight with your accessories. The flashlight was compact. The gobo holder is flexible. The charger is too short, so I will probably have to use another charger. And it comes with 20 gobos all round looking, so they fit in the gobo holder. And these are all the 20 designs that come with it. The heart is my favorite. The gobos are a little bit flimsy. They're not made of metal, so be mindful of how you handle them. This is all put together. I will try out the heart first. You push out to intensify the design. And you can push it back in to make it bigger. You click on it to change the colors. There's 4 different colors: blue, red, yellow, and white. To intensify the color, you turn to the right. To decrease it, you turn to the left. It has pretty good intensity. I'm using it right now with a light on top of it, and you can see it pretty good. But if you would like more unboxings, just follow me.